Hi, I'm Simon Jahangir. I hold a master's degree in human resource management from the Institute of Administrative Sciences, Punjab University, and started my career with Groovebox as an intern before transitioning to the permanent role. Currently, I specialize in recruitment and talent acquisition for the technical and non-technical position, serving as a front door of my organization. What I enjoy most about working in HR is the ability to directly contribute to the growth and success of the organization. HR is the backbone of any organization and it involves diverse functions that collectively drive growth. Staying updated with the market trend allows us to facilitate and support our employees and humans effectively, ensuring that we grow together as a team, organization, and nation. To attract top talent in the tech industry, I leverage platforms like LinkedIn for job posting, engage with the potential candidates through the headhunting, and utilize data-driven recruitment strategies, ensuring a seamless hiring process involves maintaining the clear communication, providing timely feedback, and closely coordinating with the hiring managers to align on requirements and expectations. HR professionals should possess strong interpersonal skills, strategic thinking, and adaptability to navigate evolving market trends. And continuous learning through the certifications and the industry meetups is crucial to stay current and enhance their skill set effectively. One challenging aspect of recruitment is identify the perfect match between candidates and the organization needs. To overcome this, I thoroughly analyze requirements, explore creative solutions, and consult with hiring manager for additional insights and the guidance to create the ultimate win-win situation for candidate and the employers. My Monday mojo is fueled by the excitement of new tasks and interaction with colleagues and candidates with a diverse background. Staying busy and embracing the flow of time helps me maintain energy and focus, setting a positive tone for the week ahead. Recruiting Tony Stark would not only bring exceptional talent and innovation, but also energize the entire team to strive for excellence. His presence would foster a culture of creativity and ambitions, propelling the company to new heights in the IT sector. My advice to job seeker is to thoroughly read job descriptions and apply for roles that align with their qualification, experience, and skill sets. Freshers should consider internship during their studies to gain practical experience, and candidates are encouraged to notify potential employers in advance if they are unable to attend a scheduled interview.